Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Sabrina Carpenter, such a funny way to say things here and there and act and whatever. This is a nice song and it fits guitar well. Let's go into this song if you want to learn it. Now, I place a capo on second. That's what I do here, the best scenario in my opinion. And with that, we have a couple chords. Yes, I believe we have 9 chords or so, but it's pretty easy to handle them still with this capo on there. So let's go through the chords. We're going to start with F. Okay, so F goes bar finger on the first fret, you push the index finger, all strings, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C next, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have a G, D chord. Okay, so you're gonna play open D, open G, open B, and third E. Then comes the C, E. It's the exact same grip as the C, but you also incorporate the open E string in the bass. Everything else stays the same there. Okay, and then we have the A minor 7. That goes open A, second D, open G, first B, open E. Then we have the G, B chord. So that will be second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. D minor next. Open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and finally we have the A sharp. The sus2 version, you're gonna play the index finger on the first fret as a bar, and you push down 5 strings, the first 5 from bottom up like this, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Now we're gonna handle them with a down up strumming pattern. So one round is down up, and I try to emphasize the second down. So if you grab the first chord F, I'm gonna play like this. So the second down, I'll really go all the way down to get all the high notes down there. Okay, and other downs and ups here in the strumming pattern, I play more in the mid bass area. So alright, like that. Let's go into the song. We're gonna start with the first verse. You're gonna play F4, C2, GD2. Then F4, CE2, GD2. That is the first half. Okay. Then we have F4, C2, GD2 in the same way as we started before. And then you're going to end with A minor, 7, 4, and GB4. It's a long one. I'm going to mention the chords while I'm playing. Let's go. F, C2, GD2, F4, C2, GD2, F4, C2, GD2, A minor 4, and GB4. Alright, so that's the first verse. Now into the chorus, we're gonna hit that 46-second mark or so. You have such a funny way. That's where on the lyrics, and that's the title of the song. Now, I'm gonna again speak me while I'm playing. I think we can go directly into that thing. So I'm just gonna mention the chords, and you just notice and follow along if you can. Let's do C2. CB2, A minor 4, F2, CE2, D minor 2, and G2, C2, A sharp 2, A minor 4, F2, C2, D minor 2, and G2. And that is the first round. Okay, So we have then a second verse, and that is different from the first one very much. So what you're gonna play here is F4 and C4. You play it for 2 times, so F4, C4, F4, C4. And then you're gonna end with D minor 4 and G4. And yes, that's the second verse there. Then comes the second chorus, and that is played exactly in the same way as this first one. And that comes with a third chorus right after. So still just repetition. All the choruses are played in the same way. And then we're gonna end with the outro. C, the G B, the A minor 7, F, C, E, D minor, and G, in the same way as a chorus starts. And that, my friends, that is how you handle this song here from Sabrina. It's called Such a Funny Way. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.